Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of Agile project management with the Scaled Agile Framework, also known as SAFE. This innovative framework is transforming how organizations manage their projects and teams, making them more efficient, flexible, and capable of delivering superior results. So grab a seat, take out your note-taking tools, and get ready to learn all about SAFE and how it can revolutionize your work environment. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the importance of the Scaled Agile Framework. Understanding the importance of the Scaled Agile Framework, SAFE is a crucial tool for large, complex organizations that need to apply agile methodologies at scale. It helps to synchronize alignment, collaboration, and delivery across large numbers of agile teams. It's also highly flexible, so it can be adapted to fit the unique needs of each organization. 2. Core Principles of SAFE. Core Principles of SAFE. It is built on 10 guiding principles that derive from agile development, lean product development, and systems thinking. These principles provide a foundation for role and practice application, and guide decision-making across the organization. 3. Structure and components of the Scaled Agile Framework. Structure and components of the Scaled Agile Framework. SAFE has 4 different levels: team, program, large solution, and portfolio. Each level helps organizations deliver value in the shortest sustainable lead time. 4. Benefits of implementing the Scaled Agile Framework. Benefits of implementing the Scaled Agile Framework. SAFE allows for increased productivity and quality, improved employee engagement and job satisfaction, and reduced time to market. It's a win-win for both organizations and their employees. Portfolio level. This is the highest level in SAFE. It provides strategic direction and investment funding to the value streams. The key components at this level are strategic themes, lean portfolio management, LPM, and portfolio Kanban. Large solution level. This level is optional and only used if the solution being developed is too large for a single agile release train. Solution intent. The engineering and architectural practices, and coordinating with suppliers are some of the key components at this level. Program level. This is where agile release trains, reside. These are teams of agile teams, which align to a common mission via a single program backlog. Features, enablers, and the program Kanban are part of this level. Team level. This is the level where single agile teams plan, commit, develop and deliver value in a predictable and sustainable manner. This includes stories, iterations, and the team Kanban. 5. Different levels in Scaled Agile Framework: portfolio, program, value stream, and team. Different levels in the Scaled Agile Framework. We delve into the 4 different levels: portfolio, program, value stream, and team, and their unique roles in transforming an organization into agile. 6. Key roles and responsibilities in SAFE. Key roles and responsibilities in SAFE. From the SAFE program consultant to the agile team, the success of SAFE implementation largely depends on these crucial roles and how well they uphold their responsibilities. 7. How to implement SAFE in your organization: a step-by-step guide. How to implement SAFE in your organization: a step-by-step guide. We guide you through the key steps of implementing SAFE, from training and team setup to program execution and relentless improvement. 8. Case studies. Success stories of implementing the Scaled Agile Framework. Case studies. Success stories of implementing the Scaled Agile Framework. Real-world stories of businesses that have successfully implemented SAFE and reaped its many benefits. Fitbit, a renowned tech company, decided to implement SAFE to navigate the complexities of hardware-software integration. They were dealing with various challenges such as different teams working in isolation, manual testing, and delayed product delivery. After implementing the framework, they noticed significant improvements. Their time to market improved by 40%, and program predictability almost doubled. Additionally, quality improved due to the shift to automated testing. 9. Overcoming challenges and pitfalls in safe implementation. Overcoming challenges and pitfalls in safe implementation. Like any transformative journey, safe implementation isn't without its hurdles. Here, we discuss the common challenges and how to overcome them. Communicate clearly and regularly. Open, ongoing communication can help address resistance to change and create a shared vision for success. Provide comprehensive training. Equip your team with the knowledge and skills necessary to understand and effectively use the SAFe framework. Start small and scale progressively. Implementing SAFe all at once can be overwhelming. Consider starting with a pilot project or a single team and gradually expanding to other areas. Bring in expert help. A SAFe consultant or coach can provide invaluable guidance and support during the implementation process. And there you have it, a comprehensive look into the Scaled Agile Framework, how it works, and how it can benefit your organization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.